It wasn't always easy for merchants to be able to accept cashless payments. Traditional payment terminals are not only coming with dedicated hardware, but also have a lot of other limitations, including fixed monthly costs and limited mobility. Now, with SoftPOS, you can easily upgrade your business. Our app can be either a standalone app or a module in the merchant's app. It's easy to implement and personalize, and if your employees are currently using a system such as package delivery system for couriers, SoftPOS can become a tab in your native app. You are free to use any phone or tablet with Android 8.0 or higher, as our app is device manufacturer agnostic. After installing the app, you will be able to accept cashless payments of all kinds right away. The SoftPOS mobile terminal allows you to take it everywhere without any additional hardware. SoftPOS payments are fast, easy, and allow all types of contactless transactions, including those with PIN code. Just enter the transaction amount and accept it. Now the client can put their card or phone close to the back of the terminal and enter their PIN code. After the transaction is authorized, you can also get a receipt. That's it. SoftPOS is safe, just like all the traditional terminals. The safety is guaranteed by both MasterCard and Visa. It's a perfect solution for all types of merchants: couriers, ticket inspectors, food delivery services, taxi, insurance and loan collecting companies, vending machines, food trucks, and other kinds of shops. Join us and let's change the world of payments together.